You know what time it is. Hey kids. Yeah. You know what we're gonna do? Tell them, Peyton, what are we gonna do?
We're gonna drive some Clydes, or not Clydes, but we're gonna drive Clyde today and see how that brake is, or brakes.
The brake.
Oh.
Hopefully it's not lazy. Oh, there we go. Look at that.
That's better.
Yep. Hopefully that brake's not as lazy as it was, because, you know, we tried to get it out of there. Peyton did actually finish her homework today, so she gets to be out here for the whole time. So what we're going to do, take Clyde for a rip. Maybe on the highway? We don't know. Probably not. Maybe. Anyway, we got everything we need. Sunglasses, earplugs. Key's probably in it. I don't know. Anyway, the other thing we're going to do is we're going to see how it starts and how it behaves itself. Let's face it, it's not going to do any of that. So, here we go, kids. Hold on to your pants. I don't even know why I'm going to video this. You guys know it's not going to start. Well, we got battery. Let's see what happens. Yep, that's normal. Also, normal.
Bring it back.
Less normal. Well, I see some of the problem.
Oh!
The choke butterfly isn't closing. Well, getting fuel. You see now.
He wants to.
Oh, it burped. Ready?
Yeah.
Yep, that's cool. I think we expected that, didn't we? Yeah.
Yeah.
You ever notice our Clyde videos take like 45 minutes? Hang on. This is getting comical. I don't know. Once again. Uh-huh. Okay. Yep. I don't know.
stuck wide open. So that's why it's misbehaving. We'll stay for an easy ride. I'm sure it'll die twice.
Fresh air finally. Oh my god.
Why did you stay in the car?
I get in the car and Peyton's like, oh my eyes! But yet she's sitting in the car. So we got out. It's a little fumy in there. Because, you know, it's Clyde. We're going to let it air out a minute, but, and then we're going to get you back in here. So, stand by.
Clyde is very unhappy. And that doesn't want to split out at all. So, I'm going to try it. I got to go get a tool. Hold on.
Fire.
Let's try it. Nothing like neutral. Oh, he's not happy. Well, the chick breaks.
That's good.
Woo! He's not straight!
Oh my god, yay!
Well, that's one victory, I guess.
Yeah.
We're not going to go all the way around the loop because this thing is unhappy.
Yeah.
We're going to go halfway. Yeah, idle's too high. Hit it again.
I think this thing is a great problem. Maybe.
Well, it's shifting anyway. That's not running tight at all.
Yeah.
You can see that skipping in there? Uh-oh, there was a little bit of a pull. Definitely better. We're gonna have to get that other tire or that other wheel. Definitely unhappy.
Yeah.
There.
Clyde. Still not happy, but hey, the brakes are better. Can't wait to do the other one. Both get them all wonderful. All right, Clyde. Okay, so you can hear Clyde being his own greatest fan. Yep, that's a good one. Peyton didn't laugh. So, you guys saw in the carburetor, it's just, that's part of the problem. The other part of the problem is this part here. It's a combination of this and the carburetor, in case you're wondering. We're gonna step out of the garage here for a little bit because it's humid and hot and stinks, and you know, Clyde is here. While we're waiting for the noise, check out the new shirts, kids. Go check out our store on the, it's down in the thing. Well, it's on the, and you guys know what I'm talking about. Anyway, so what everybody do today? Work.
School.
Retired, good. School, yeah. Unemployed, come on, buddy. Oh, you got laid off because you got hurt, okay. Anyway, it's not happy. He's Clyde, so, I don't even know I don't even know how to tell you. You guys saw the whole thing. He's just a giant turd lately. I mean, he's like 2,000 pounds a turd. I don't know.
He is though.
Anyway, fan will be shut off soon, and then we'll kind of, do the thing. If you were seeing a 1931 Model A coupe, you should know it's not happy. It needs a hug.
Yeah.
A hug. Ow. Yeah. It's trying to hurt me now. You ever have one of those days when you just want to, not even talk to the cars anymore? Anywho, well, Peyton, what did we do today?
I drove Clyde.
How did that go?
Terrible. Well,
What happened?
Clyde is very unhappy for some reason.
Just, did anything go right?
The brakes. For the first time. Oh, wait.
Oh, Ryan Motor Tech, I'll tell you what. It worked, man.
Thanks.
This is the first thing that has worked on the first try with this thing.
That's true, though.
Good on ya. Remember, we got to talk about the mechanical brake one. Just one hand. I don't want to get underneath this thing. There's so much oil right up in the teeth.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm sure you guys are sick of looking at Clyde because you know what? We talked about it. Turd.
That's just describing Clyde. How he acts is also turd.
100%. I'm appreciative of everything we've done for him. Keep him inside. Made him look better. Gave him white walls with, you see him. New interior. Yeah, it's not nice, but, it's new. It's not boat seats, right? Gave him new headlights. Yeah, they're yellow and stuff. Well, and then how does he repay us? Tries to start us on fire. Anyway. I don't know. Should we get out of here?
Yeah.
All right.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep on it and have a great day.
I thought I was going to have to remind you to do that again because, you sometimes just...